Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into beauty technology because we've all struggled with getting that perfect wing or finding the right lipstick shade. Your smartphone can be your secret weapon. I've got the ultimate list of the top 10 makeup apps that will transform your beauty routine. First up, we have Perfect 365, a game changer for finding your perfect foundation match. We all know the struggle of swatching shades on our hands, only to find out they look different on our face. With Perfect 365, you can try on different foundation shades virtually. It analyzes your skin tone and undertones to recommend the most flattering shades. No more guessing games, just flawless looking skin every time. Next, we have Brow Try-on, an app that is like having a brow expert in your pocket. Finding the right shape for your face can be tricky. This app lets you experiment with different brow shapes and thicknesses, from sleek and defined to soft and natural. You can try on different colors too, so you can finally find your perfect match. No more brow disasters, just perfectly sculpted brows that would make even Anastasia Beverly Hills proud. If you're looking for an app that's like having a personal makeup artist on call 24/7, YouCam Makeup is the one for you. This app offers real-time makeup tutorials that guide you step by step through different looks, from everyday natural to full-on glam. Plus, it has a ton of different makeup products and brands to play with virtually, so you can experiment to your heart's content. Makeup isn't just about enhancing your features, it's also about expressing your creativity and connecting with others who share your passion. And that's where Glam Scout comes in. This app is like a social media platform for makeup lovers. You can share your own looks, discover new trends, and get inspiration from beauty enthusiasts worldwide. Let's talk about Contour, which can be intimidating, right? But don't worry, Contour It is here to save the day. This app helps you master the art of contouring and highlighting. It provides personalized contour maps based on your face shape, so you know exactly where to place the product for maximum impact. It also offers different levels of intensity, so you can go for a subtle sculpt or a dramatic transformation. Makeup Plus lets you set makeup goals. Whether you want to perfect your winged liner, master a smoky eye, or experiment with bolder lip colors, this app helps you stay motivated and track your progress. We've all been there, standing in the makeup aisle, overwhelmed by the sheer number of lipstick shades. With Lip Scanner, those days are over. This app lets you virtually try on thousands of lipstick shades from different brands, so you can find your perfect match without ever having to apply a single swipe in person. Eyeshadow is my favorite part of any makeup look, but with so many palettes and colors, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. Shade Scout helps you discover the perfect eyeshadow colors for your eye color and skin tone. It also suggests different eyeshadow looks and techniques, so you can step out of your comfort zone and experiment with new styles. Get ready to geek out, beauty lovers, because Beauty Circle is about to blow your mind. This app syncs with various beauty devices, like smart mirrors and skincare analyzers. It collects data about your skin and provides personalized product recommendations and beauty tips. It's like having a personal beauty consultant right at your fingertips. Last but not least, we have Sephora Virtual Artist, an app from Sephora. This app offers personalized makeup advice based on your preferences and skin type. You can try on different makeup looks, get product recommendations from Sephora's vast collection, and even book in-store beauty services. It's like having a personal Sephora shopping assistant right in your pocket. So there you have it, sisters. My top 10 must-have makeup apps that will transform your beauty routine. Let me know in the comments which app is your favorite and what other beauty tech videos you'd like to see. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Until next time, stay gorgeous.